Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be talking to you course creators out there. Are you interested on learning about a software that just can improve your course creation journey? I am personally a newbie course creator, so I wanted to share this software with you guys because it is absolutely my favorite thing to talk about on a Wednesday. So make sure that you do stay tuned. I'm going to hop on my computer to share with you guys some more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I mentioned, I'm just going to dive into it and share with you exactly the tool that I'm using first and foremost, but just to talk a little bit more about course creation. So if you're somebody like me who is an affiliate marketer by, let's say, not profession, but I'm doing this as a side hustle, right? But you're a course creator maybe, and you're looking for a way to use a system or software which is not expensive, you can get started with it. So I'm going to be naming three main points that I find as the most crucial points within course creation, at least if you're getting started as a new person. I am not a expert in course creation, but I think that system.io is a perfect place to get started if that's what you're looking into. So I wanted to make sure that at least on a Wednesday, I'm talking about a tool that has, multifaceted approach, which you can really go ahead and implement whatever features you want within your affiliate marketing itself. What I did and how I tried to monetize my whole efforts is actually building a training course itself. Now you can use that training course as a free lead magnet. A lot of people, go through and have a PDF which explains things. Me personally, I decided to go about giving my lead magnet as a course where I can evolve, I can change, I can guide, I can build a community behind it that is following the same strategy as I am to get the same results as I am, right? I obviously will not be able to guarantee those results, but as an affiliate marketer, I'm also able to help more people and teach more people with this tool and creating a course myself. So that's what I personally did. I got started with system.io. I used the funnel builder itself. I went through it as a completely new member, free member for that matter, and I used the funnel. I built the funnel. I had the 6 to 12 months actually of, no, not 12 months, 9 months of solid data that the funnel system works, how to convert it, and following my strategy in place. It's helped me build my list up. And finally, I decided at the end of 2023 to create a course that teaches the same strategy, because a lot of people were asking me personally for this kind of course. And so I therefore cater to the needs of the audience, or cater to the needs of people who are asking me, and I created a course. So now what I've done is I've been able to monetize the course. You don't need to have a monetization of the course. You can have it as a free course. It's absolutely fine. I personally monetize it, and you will see what I mean by monetize. You can actually do this and start to get much more income coming in, and can be even a passive stream of income if you work once using system.io. And the beauty of it is that you can get this in place absolutely for free. So I'm going to be naming three main reasons for using system.io and to build a course. Okay, so these are the three main reasons, three main features that I personally like. One of the things that is available, and by the way guys, in terms, if you're thinking of getting a course or creating a course with system.io as the main tool besides Kajabi or the other softwares that are there, and there are other paid softwares which are 100% good softwares, but I'm saying as somebody, as an affiliate marketer myself, this was a good way to create a lead magnet. It was a different way to stand out of the crowd and be able to also support my community in the best way possible. So that's my approach. I feel like it's my calling to be also an educator in this way. If a strategy is working for me, I am the case study in the first place, and then I'm going to be teaching out to the audience there. And obviously, in favor of doing that, you can definitely price the course accordingly. So that is something that I personally do. It's the same approach if you think about it, using hobbies and any kind of other other skill sets that you would like to actually share in a course. So let me go ahead and just scroll down here. I want to just show you that it's very much possible to create online courses, as you can see right here, which is videos. You can have PDFs, you can have a lot of things that are available with a free account. Now I'm going to go to features. Actually, yeah, let's go to features first, just to show you. It has everything under one roof, which is amazing. And if I go to pricing, this is the cool thing. You can see on the free plan, they do have paid plans, but you can see on the free plan right here, if I scroll down and I would like to show you course creation, sorry, I missed it. Right here, courses that you can have as a free member is one. So imagine you want to test an idea out. Obviously, it's best to do some market research, whether the course that you are creating, there is a demand for it. If there's no demand for it, then it's pointless to actually create it. For me personally, for example, the strategy that I was working with and making affiliate marketing commissions, which by the way, guys, is shared in this channel, on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos. On a Wednesday, I have this more conversational kind of video with you guys because I want to make sure that I am sharing also the technical side, which is what I use, the software specifically that I use in my affiliate marketing. So I do have a funnel set up with system.io, but I also have a course with system.io that helps me then teach other people to do the same thing. That being said, I had, since my strategy was working, I created the course. So do your market research, whether, for example, if it's a hobby, make sure that you get enough questions, you have the right pain points, and you're addressing those pain points. So my course, for example, is for a struggling affiliate marketer who wants to have just 30 minutes to a day and have that time away from the computer, because like myself, I do have a full-time job and I apply this strategy in this manner. So I'm sharing with them. The advantage is that I'm only reaching to a certain crowd or certain community of people who want to be doing this, who do have a full-time job and can get started with the strategy in their spare time. So that is my custom audience that I'm looking for. You do need to do a little bit of market research before creating a course. But when you do have everything in place, you can actually create a course for free at the same time. So that's the first feature. The second feature that I want to share with you is that you can do a personalization of your entire course. So let me just go ahead and show with you affiliate marketing essentials so that you can get to see the course. This is my course right here. You can do a lot of personalization to either your picture and even the color scheme that's there within the course. So for example, what my next edit of this course, what I'm going to be improving is that it's going to be brand related. So it's going to have branding, colors, and basically using my branding kit as Tips with Dave as my brand. I want to make sure that the colors are in line with that, and I'm teaching people to get noticed and understand who is behind it and what is the kind of information that they're getting. At the same time, you can also personalize, for example, the login pages. Everything can be made to you so that they don't feel like you're going on to another platform, right? When you're a student or when you've created a course, they definitely feel that they have bought your course and they have interaction with you directly. So that's the advantage. The second advantage that I would say, a lot of personalization can be done. This is, a simple course which is just there. It has 10 modules in the first one, and then there are another 10 modules in the second. Sorry, 10 sub lessons in the second module, and another, I think, seven or yeah, one, two, three, four, five, six modules in the, sorry, six lessons in the third module. Second and third, each module is paid for me. So you can even have your course in a form of a funnel, let's say, right? So where the person gets certain section for free, then another section is paid, and then another section is, so it depends on how you want to cascade the information out to your audience. You can do that. So I personally have 3 modules right here, and then I will be adding more if I have, for example, a new strategy that I want, it's important, or I can create an absolutely new course, or I can have a different scheme here. So it's very customizable for any marketer, affiliate marketer, or course creator out there. Literally everything is possible. Even physical products, let's say if you want to sell, and then you have a course related to that on this. So the third feature that I wanted to focus on, just to show you guys, I'm going to sign into system.io and just show you. And guys, I'm just going to give you an idea. My course costs €1. I personally have it in euros. I can have another funnel maybe in dollars and other things like that, but I personally have euros. There's a lot of automation that you can do. So for example, if you want to create a rule, sorry, this is one, but let's say you're creating a new trigger. Okay, you go to the automation section right here. And even if, let's say, you want to have a separate email campaign going out for people who have finished a specific amount of lectures. So you can even choose, like, for example, I have a lecture completed, and they choose from here, and then you choose which lecture. So let's say they finish they from the first module, and they are now on, let's say, post step 1. They're going to get an automation to maybe an action that they can do is that they will be able to get an email, or you can send a webhook and then customize it completely. This is more technical and more advanced, but the automations are definitely there for those you guys who are advanced course creators and want to start using this. They do also have an API that you can integrate, so which is, quite cool to have on a technical scale. So it's a very robust software, I must say, even for course creators. And that's why I think it's very important that you see these automations that are there, because now with these automations, you know exactly what's going on, who's clicking where, what's happening, which campaigns have they subscribed to, and so on and so forth. Like, there are a few things that you definitely can see from them. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to my main dashboard, and what I want to do is I want to just show you very quickly the payments that I've got so far. So for my course has earned me $40, guys. I've created this course. It's a €1 course, as I mentioned, and that means 40 people. I have 40 students. It's a very low ticket course. I'm not trying to make big sales from here. What I'm trying to do is help people with a strategy. I just didn't want to make it free for one simple reason, because I wanted the each individual who does make a purchase, and as I can see right now, I actually got a sale today, who does make a purchase, goes out and takes advantage of the information that's provided, and doesn't just, doesn't go through the course. So the statistics you can see within the course itself. So if you go to products and then courses right here, you'll be able to see all the students. So for example, you'll be able to see all the students, and you'll be able to also see all the progress that they have. So some people who have not got started, you can reach out to them, you can speak to them, and follow up with your community, and you can build a separate community within system.io itself. So as a course creator, this is hugely advantageous for you, because you can create a course and a community at the side of it. So this is why this is the third reason for me, why I'm sharing this information out to you guys. So let me just highlight the three features once again, three main reasons. One is it's an absolutely free platform to get started. Two, you are able to personalize it as you wish. Three, if you do decide to have multiple automations, you can have multiple automations, but then you will have to go to the paid plan, just because you can have only one automation in the free plan. So you can keep it simple, have the course simple, start to generate an income coming in. Let's say you have a $27 course, or you have a $50 course. Then now you're generating revenue from this, and you're able to then decide to go to the paid plan, and then, have other things that are available for your students out there as a course creator. Lastly, guys, the last thing that I want to say regarding this specific video is that I wanted to talk about the payment integration. So I just want to quickly go to the settings and show you guys what you can integrate directly. So guys, I'm here on the payment page, just so that you guys can see. I personally have integrated Stripe, but you can integrate Stripe, you can integrate PayPal, you can integrate a lot of options that are available right here, including cash on delivery. You can see, as you are as a business, it depends on how you want to structure it, but obviously these are methods for businesses, right? We're not trying to, play around over here. We are looking to build a long-term business. So having Stripe, having PayPal, if you want to get started with, and then moving over to something like Go Cardless, for example, is something that I'm considering in the future to have and integrate with this option, so that I'm able to get payments also by card easily. I can get with Stripe, obviously, but just to have multiple options available for my customers is a good thing as a course creator, right? So this is one option that I'm looking at. But as I said, I'm a beginner course creator. It's not like I do this as a full time. I focus on affiliate marketing, and building the courses is just an outcome, is part of the ecosystem for myself to build a solid long-term sustainable business with affiliate marketing. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to be clear and concise. I've not gone through strategy. I've not gone through anything. I just wanted to talk about the software today and, get down and honest with you guys. System.io is my favorite software. It is my only software now in my business. I've taken away all my other softwares that I had before, and I just work with System.io. So I 100% recommend it. If you want to check out, the link in the description is to get started with System.io if you want it for free. If you want a paid plan, you can get access to a paid plan as well within the description of this video. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in on Friday because I am going to cover some important information regarding my personal strategy and how it works with affiliate marketing. But let me know in the comments if you like these kind of videos. And Wednesdays, I want it to be very casual and make sure that I have these conversations with you guys about softwares and about what works, what doesn't work, and how to improve it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.